So hey guys, it's been I think I came last Saturday. Yeah, it's been after that I was working for last 6 days, so it was occupied. Couldn't do YouTube. Just thinking like I want to do YouTube more now. Maybe more time I want to spend on YouTube, on the Rohit Wanting channel on YouTube, and also on the Star Maker. I have my ID 621125095526. So I want to spend more time here. Whenever I get time, I am thinking of putting posts for around 10 minutes. That's what I will be hoping for. A few karaoke's and something on my mind. What's running at the moment is RCB, man. They won the IPL. I was very, very happy. Of course, I wanted Delhi or Punjab to win the IPL, but they couldn't. So RCB repeated. Virat Kohli won IPL again, and they beat Gujarat in the final, which was lovely. RCB winning the IPL. Of course, next year I'm looking forward to Delhi and Punjab as well. What's in sports in general, which I'm looking forward to in the next 1 month, is FIFA Football World Cup. That's crazy, man. You may not be having an Indian team there, but you really love watching football, and it will be coming in India, I think, which will be great. Also, coming to movies, I think Durandar 2 has come, and I'm looking forward to it as well. I've already watched the trailers, and I've just started watching on Hotstar. It was looking slow and amazing, so I will be just checking it out as well. Besides that, talking about in general about songs, what I want to do today. It's about karaoke's, which I have in mind. I had something else in mind, but I always keep it random. So I've got two karaoke's in mind. When I talk about 1990s, always about four actors maybe: Salman Khan, Shah Rukh Khan, Akshay Kumar, and Sanjay Dutt as well. But when you talk about Shah Rukh Khan, it's like no one can forget Shah Rukh Khan. Even I think people in 60s or 70s won't even forget Shah Rukh Khan. I think it's some of the amazing movies and some of the amazing tracks. So I'm doing two karaoke's today. Before I'll be coming again, you can follow me on Rohit Wanting Style on YouTube, and also you can subscribe to me on Rohit Wanting Style on YouTube, and also follow me on the Star Maker. I have my ID 621125095526. I need to speak a little slower, but I can't control it. Hello from my side and from my pet side as well. And it's a sunny evening, it's a hot evening. So let's do Chupke, Chupke. दो दिल मिल रहे हैं चुपके चुपके. In fact, I'll go over 10 minutes because this is already a 7 minute song. I'll do two karaoke's. I want to wear the glasses, maybe, yeah. The sunglasses, yeah. Gup chup, gup chup, chup chup. 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 दो दिल दो दिल मिल रहे हैं दो दिल मिल रहे हैं मगर चुपके चुपके दो दिल मिल रहे हैं मगर चुपके चुपके सबको हो रही है हाँ सबको हो रही है खबर चुपके चुपके हो दो दिल मिल रहे हैं मगर चुपके चुपके. सांसों में बड़ी बेकरारी आंखों में कई रत जगे कभी नहीं लग जाए दिल तो कहीं फिर दिल ना लगे अपना दिल में जरा थाम लूं जादू का मैं इसे नाम दूं जादू कर रहा है जादू कर रहा है असर छुप के दो दिल मिल रहे हैं मगर चुपके चुपके। ऐसे बोल बन कर है बैठे जैसे कोई बात नहीं। सब कुछ नजर आ रहा है, दिन है ये रात नहीं। क्या है कुछ भी नहीं है अगर होठों पे है खामोशी मगर बातें कर रही है। हाँ बातें कर रही है नजर चुपके चुपके। दो दिल मिल रहे हैं मगर चुपके चुपके। I love this part. कहीं आग कहीं आग लगने से पहले उठता है ऐसा धुआं, जैसा है इधर का नजारा वैसा ही उधर का समा। दिल में कैसी कसक सी जगी, दोनों जानिब बराबर लगी। देखो तो इधर से, हाँ देखो तो इधर से उधर चुपके चुपके। दो दिल मिल रहे हैं मगर चुपके चुपके। सबको हो रही है, हाँ सबको हो रही है खबर चुपके चुपके। हो दो दिल मिल रहे हैं मगर चुपके चुपके। गुप चुप 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 गुप चुप चुप मगर चुपके चुपके। मगर चुपके 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 चुपके। हाँ हाँ चुपके चुपके। दो दिल मिल रहे हैं मगर चुपके चुपके। हो सबको हो रही है, हाँ सबको हो रही है खबर चुपके चुपके। ओ दो दिल मिल रहे मगर चुपके चुपके। दो दिल मिल रहे हैं मगर चुपके चुपके। सबको ऐसे भोले बन कर है मैं। आई लव दिस टैटू है। ऐसी कोई बात नहीं, सब कुछ नजर आ रहा। बुलेट दिन है ये रात नहीं। क्या है, कुछ भी नहीं है अगर होठों पे है खामोशी मगर बातें कर रही है, हाँ बातें कर रही है असर चुप के चुप. Again, this movie is like any time movie. Pardes, amazing movie, man. I really love this movie and I can check it out anytime. So as I'm into SRK, so I will try another one which is a very very again melodious track of SRK which I really love and which is you must have listened to. Everyone in the 1990s must have listened to this without telling you what it is, which track it is. It's from the movie Yes Boss. Must have listened to it. Music credit the Star Maker MID 621125095226. And also you can follow me on Rohit Pandrings Chalia on YT. Here I go. मैं कोई ऐसा गीत गाऊं कि आरज़ू जगाऊं, मैं कोई ऐसा गीत गाऊं कि आरज़ू जगाऊं अगर तुम कहो. मैं कोई ऐसा गीत गाऊं कि आरज़ू जगाऊं अगर तुम कहो. मैं कोई ऐसा गीत गाऊं कि आरज़ू जगाऊं अगर तुम कहो. तुमको बुलाऊं ये पल के बिछाऊं कदम तुम जहाँ जहाँ रखो. ज़मीं को आसमां बनाऊं सितारों से सजाऊं अगर तुम कहो. मैं कोई ऐसा गीत गाऊं कि आरज़ू जगाऊं अगर तुम कहो. मैं तितलियों के पीछे भागूं, मैं जुगनुओं के पीछे जाऊं. ये रंग है वो रोशनी है तुम्हारे पास दोनों लाऊं. जितनी खुशबुएं बाग में मिले, हाँ जितनी खुशबुएं बाग में मिले मैं लाऊं वहाँ पे कि तुम हो जहाँ जहाँ मैं एक पल भी ठहरूं. मैं गुलसिता बनाऊं अगर तुम कहो. मैं कोई ऐसा गीत गाऊं कि आरज़ू जगाऊं अगर तुम कहो. हाँ अगर अगर कहो तो मैं सुनाऊं तुम्हें हंसी कहानियां, सुनोगी क्या मेरी जुबानी, तुम एक परी की दास्तां, या मैं करूं तुमसे बयां, या मैं करूं तुमसे बयां कि राजा से रानी मिले थे कहाँ, कहानियों से नगर में तुम्हें लेके जाऊं, अगर तुम कहो तुमको बुलाऊं, ये पल के बिछाऊं, कदम तुम जहाँ जहाँ रखो, जमीन को आसमां बनाऊं, सितारों से सजाऊं, अगर तुम कहो मैं कोई ऐसा गीत गाऊं कि आरज़ू जगाऊं, अगर तुम कहो, हाँ अगर तुम कहो, हाँ अगर तुम कहो, ला 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 ला. Thank you to Star Maker app for rating as A++. मैं कोई ऐसा गीत गाऊं कि आरज़ू जगाऊं, अगर तुम कहो तुमको बुलाऊं, कि पल के बिछाऊं, कदम तुम जहाँ जहाँ रखो, ज़मीं को आसमां बनाऊं, सितारों से सजाऊं, अगर तुम कहो. So very beautiful track, and I'm done with the karaoke. Just wanted to laugh a bit and smile a bit more mood. We'll be coming more regularly on the Star Maker app ID 621125095226, and sometimes I'll be coming on YouTube with what's on my mind. You can subscribe to me on Rohit Punting's channel on YouTube. Talking about gyms, I go regularly to the gym, but my results don't show. I don't have a great body overall, but the reason I go to the gym is because I love spending around 1 to 1.5 hours at the gym, and I can honestly say all the gyms for the town are good. Every gym of my town are good, but the only difference is the people. Like the previous gym which I used to go, like Iconic Gym, it's such an amazing gym. I had an amazing time there spending for 1 year, and currently I'm at Anytime Fitness. It's also very good. Well, but the difference between both the gyms is I got people, people who were actually, I got negative vibes from the people in Iconic Gym, whereas I get positive vibes from people who are in the Anytime Fitness. So what I did after spending 1 year at Iconic Gym, I changed my gym, I moved to Anytime Fitness. But then in between, I had asked, I left Iconic because of people. So I just asked like AI that should I go there? And AI said that you'll get a normal feel of your life if you go just once or twice over there. And that's what I did. I went for 2 days on a day pass to Iconic Gym to feel normal. And just a few people spoke with me, but I always had people never wanted to, like it was the reason of leaving Iconic was people, was humans. So, which is not always cool. The gym is very good. But I get positive vibes from people when I'm in Anytime Fitness. That's the reason I'm there. So all the gyms are basically good, but what matters is humans who are over there. Some humans don't accept you, don't want to talk to you. And people don't talk much these days anyways, but there's a sense of positive vibes you get at certain places. That's what I get in my current gym, which I was not getting at Iconic Gym. It's both are good gyms, and in the future I might again join Iconic Gym. But currently I'm continuing Anytime Fitness. Maybe once a week I might go somewhere else. But that's it. And as I said, main reason of going to the gym for me is spending around 1.5 hours at the gym. I'm doing 2 challenges: awareness challenge and 6 months health challenge. And what I'm looking forward to, FIFA challenge. FIFA World Cup is coming in a week's time. That's what's going to be running in my mind. There are other sports happening, but I'm only following football. So follow me on the Star Maker time ID 621125095226, and also on YouTube, Rohit Punting Stallion. You can subscribe to me. Bye bye for now, nearly 20 minutes. See you again more regularly whenever I am free, whenever I feel regularly on the app, Star Maker app, and sometimes on YouTube. Bye bye for now.